Let me ask you a quick question. When you first heard about Amazon, how many people did you tell? Was it 10, 20, or 30 people? How about Airbnb or Uber? If you're like most people, it probably went something like this. You had a great experience, so you decided to tell some of your friends, and you probably did it for free. Imagine how much money your friends have spent with these companies because you referred them, but you haven't made a penny. How much would you have earned if you got a percentage of all of your friends' future purchases forever? And now imagine if this kind of platform was built specifically for the network marketing industry. The possibilities would be endless. Think about how much network marketers spend finding new prospects, on their online marketing, on advertising. Imagine how much that spending will continue to grow as the industry expands around the world. Nowsite is the first complete platform for network marketers. And now, for the first time ever, you can get started for free. We'll start sending you targeted prospects right away, and you will earn a percentage of all future purchases from everyone you invite. If this sounds too good to be true, then we have good news for you. Nowsite has been in business since 2016. We have an A rating from the Better Business Bureau, and our customer satisfaction is a 9.7 out of 10. Our founder, Justin Belobaba, is a Harvard graduate who has sold 2 software companies and was named Young Entrepreneur of the Year. You can meet him live on Facebook every week to hear his vision and answer all your questions. Today, we serve 40,000 network marketers in 130 countries. But after 5 years and millions of dollars invested, the time has come for our next phase of growth. And so now, for the first time, network marketers can join Nowsite for free. By referring your friends for free, you can earn up to 40% of everything they spend. The average Nowsite customer spends over $800 per year. 40% of that is $320 a year. 10 friends is $3,200. 100 friends is $32,000 in ongoing income. And you know more network marketers than that. And they all need Nowsite. This is what the network marketing industry has been waiting for. The first platform that sends you targeted prospects, handles your online marketing, and helps teams work together like never before. It's exactly what everyone needs to succeed. It's only a matter of time until everyone is on Nowsite. Will you be the one to invite them, or will someone else do it first? Imagine if Amazon paid you 40% every time your friends make a purchase. Nowsite is making that dream a reality for network marketers. Just invite your friends and teammates. They'll start receiving targeted prospects absolutely free, and you'll earn up to 40% of every dollar they spend. There's never been a better opportunity to help your friends succeed. So what are you waiting for? Get started for free today.